Hello, this is video part something number 2, and I got a fancy mouse thing here too, the yellow and the red. Anyway, this is part number 2 to show you how to open 2 file explorers on your computer. So here we go. As you'll see, this is it's more messy than it was last time. But over here you see we have File Explorer. I'll move it into the center here. So we'll just move that over there. So as you can see, we got File Explorer on the desktop and on the taskbar. So here we go. So you should by now already have your File Explorer on the taskbar. So what you're going to do is you're going to repeat the process in the last video. So what you're going to do is you take your mouse, bring it down to the taskbar, and double click on File Explorer. And now you can see it is huge. It is gigantic. This is too big. We want this small because we need to fit 2 on the same screen. So we're going to bring our mouse up to the top, at the very top of the screen. And then if you go to the right, the top right of your screen, so if you go all the way to the top and then to the right, you'll get to see 3 icons up here. You see what looks like a minus symbol. We got 2 squares kind of overlapping each other. Then we have this X button, which is, and this X button here closes the window. If you hit the X button, it closes the window. So we're going to bring that back up, double click, bring it back up. So we have two symbols here. These are very important. Well, this minus symbol isn't important for now, but this middle one with the 2 overlapping squares, very important. So what you're going to do is you're going to press the overlapping squares button in the top right hand corner of the window. You're going to left click, and there you go. Now it is a smaller version of the window. Now what you can do is you can bring this window, so you're just going to bring this window over here. Anyway, now we need to open the second File Explorer window. So we're going to go down here to the taskbar. I'm going to right click on the File Explorer icon, and we're going to move our mouse up to here where it says File Explorer. We're going to click again, and that will bring up a second window. And if this window is also big, this window also might be very big like this. You're just going to do the same thing. You're going to go up to this overlapping square button. You see there's 3, the middle one. You're just going to left click on that, and now you should have 2 small windows. Now to drag your windows into place, you're going to move your mouse to the top of your File Explorer window. Up here where it says File Explorer, you're just going to want to click, you're going to want to left click and hold. You want to hold, and then you just want to move your mouse. If you can see that your mouse moves the window now. So you're going to want to move this up to the corner of the monitor, your screen here. Move it all the way up to the corner, just like that. And now it's time to resize our windows. So we're going to bring our mouse to the very edge of our window that we want to resize, and now it looks like now our cursor has a double-sided arrow. Then we're going to left click and hold, and now we can resize the window by moving our cursor, our mouse horizontally. Now we're going to bring our mouse to the middle of the screen, and there we go. That is good. Now we're going to go to the bottom here, we're going to bring our mouse to the very bottom of the window here until the double-sided arrow appears. And we're going to left click, hold, and now we can resize the window by moving our mouse vertically. Now we're going to bring that all the way down to the bottom here. Right there. We're going to let go of the button. Now we're going to go to our first window here. We're going to click on the File Explorer button and we're going to click up here. You're going to drag your File Explorer and you're going to drag it all the way to the corner here. Now you're going to move your mouse to the edge of the window. You want to left click, hold, drag your mouse all the way to the middle of the screen. And there we go. Now we go to the bottom, go to the very bottom edge, left click, hold. We're just going to bring that all the way down. Now we have our two File Explorers. There we go. And just like in the last video, you can go into go to your files, go here, let's go to the pictures, go to pictures here, there we go, and we can drag stuff over there. You can use our select that we did in the last video, or we can just click on an individual one and drag that over. Now if it has the same files, it's not going to work because they have the same name. But there we go. We did it. That's how you get two File Explorers. You can close them by hitting the red button up here. If you hover up to the very top, right corner of the window, there's this close button. If you hover over it for a little bit, it will say close. And you can click that and that will close your windows. Anyway, there you go. That's how you resize your File Explorer windows and how you get two up at the same time. Anyway, I'm going to move this back to the original location. Hope that was good. Yeah, see you in part 3.